Hi there, this is Mike Kaufman. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to YouTube, as well as how to navigate some of the basic features to make sure that you set your privacy correctly, how to add hashtags and descriptions to make sure that your video is ready to go. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing is to log into YouTube. Now, if you are already logged into your other Google account through Drive or through Gmail, it'll automatically log you in, but you can always click and check to make sure that you are in the right account. Now, first step to upload, you simply click on the upload button, and it's going to bring you to the screen. From here, you have two options. You could drag or drop some video files. You can also click as well, right, and upload them from there, right? So you can click and then select open, or again, you can drag and drop a file in. So, once you do that, it's going to start uploading the video, and you can start working on those settings that I spoke about before. Now, the first thing is the name of your video. The default is the name of the file. So I always like to get into the habit of naming my files how I want them to appear. In YouTube, it's just one less step. I can always, though, change it if I need to. All right. The next feature I want to show you is the description. Right below, you want to write a description for your video that your audience is going to see. Right, something short and informational. This video will show you how to record narration in GarageBand. Right? You can also include links to websites and other things in there if you want more information to be shown. You can also include citations or attribute any work that you have borrowed for your video in there as well. The next feature is tags. And I think before we get into tags, let's just talk about your settings there to see whether it is public, unlisted, or private. So my default is set to unlisted. And what that means is the video will only be seen by those people that have a link. So if I were to share that link with a friend, my friend could see the video. Now, if my friend were to share that link on Twitter or on Facebook or to their friends, any of those people would then be able to see the video. However, you would not find the video through a YouTube search. All right, so again, that's unlisted. Anyone with a link can see it, but it cannot be found using a YouTube search. The top feature is public, meaning anyone on YouTube, right? Anyone can search and locate and then watch your video. And then the third option down there is private. Private then is only you or specific people that you have shared the video with. And similar to other Google Docs or, for example, anything else from the Google Suite, you would then share the video with someone's email. That person would have to log in to YouTube and they can then watch the video. If they shared the video with someone else, they would not be able to watch it. Right? Only specific email accounts to share with. All right, so that's private. Now I'm going to make my video public because I do want anyone on the web to take a look and be able to see it. You can add a message there as well as add it to a playlist. Now I have a playlist already created about iMovie and such, so I'm going to add it to there. And now I'm going to go to my tags. All right, tags are going to be keywords that are going to allow people to find my video when they search. Right, so for example, this video is about GarageBand, so I'm going to put GarageBand in there. I'm also going to go how to, right? Because it's a how-to video, right? How to record narration and so forth. I might add a couple more. I don't want to put too many though, right? A handful targeted tags I think are best. The way I like to do it is think about what search terms I would use to find this video, right? So I try to think like my audience, say, if I were to search this, what exactly would I put in? And those are the tags I would add. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about is your thumbnails. That is the image that will show up when your video appears. I'm going to click that one. I can also add a custom thumbnail, so I can create an image in Google Drawings or Canva or whatever program I want, and then use that image as well. But this one I think is just fine. And then I'm going to click Publish. As soon as I've done that, it's going to give me the link. I can then copy that link just to test it. And there's my video successfully uploaded to YouTube. That is how to upload videos to YouTube, as well as some of those basic features to make sure that your video is set how you want it to be and that it is totally ready for your audience to view.